Ever thought something as simple as 1 tablespoon of olive oil before bed could transform your health? This golden liquid isn't just for cooking. It's packed with powerful nutrients that work while you sleep, boosting digestion, balancing hormones, improving brain function, and more. Stay with me until the end to learn who should avoid this habit. And remember, consult a healthcare professional before making any dietary changes. If you enjoy simple natural health tips, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. 1. Enhances digestive function. Oleic acid signals the release of bile, ensuring you properly break down fats, preventing bloating and discomfort. Squalene, a rare antioxidant, soothes the intestinal lining and helps food pass smoothly, potentially easing constipation. A 4-week trial showed that olive oil relieved constipation as effectively as mineral and flaxseed oils. 2. Supports heart health. Oleuropein, a unique polyphenol in olive oil, helps keep arteries flexible and reduces strain on the heart. Studies indicate that increasing daily olive oil intake lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. 3. Boosts metabolism. Oleic acid energizes mitochondria, the cell's powerhouses, prompting the body to burn more fat instead of storing it. Oleuropein also helps regulate blood sugar and insulin, supporting steady energy use. 4. Aids in bone health. Olive oil's compounds encourage osteoblast activity. These cells rebuild and strengthen bone tissue, especially crucial with age. 5. Promotes liver detoxification. Oleic acid stimulates bile flow, aiding in flushing out toxins and excess fats. Participants in various trials showed lower liver enzyme levels when they regularly consumed olive oil. 6. Improves brain function. The brain relies on healthy fats to maintain protective layers around nerve cells. A Mediterranean diet high in olive oil has been linked to better memory and lower risk of cognitive decline. 7. Enhances skin repair. Olive oil's hydroxytyrosol fights free radicals that age skin, supporting collagen production and moisture retention. This may lead to smoother, more radiant skin in the morning. 8. Strengthens the immune system. Oleuropein balances inflammation and supports white blood cell function, helping your body defend itself more effectively. 9. Supports hormonal balance. Oleic acid fuels the creation of essential hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Steadier hormone levels can mean improved mood, energy, and overall well-being. 10. Reduces stress levels. Olive oil helps regulate cortisol, the primary stress hormone, promoting a calmer, more restful sleep. Its antioxidants also help balance neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, further easing tension. Who should be cautious? 1. Gallbladder issues. Extra bile flow can worsen gallstones or blocked ducts. 2. Severe acid reflux. Olive oil may relax the esophageal sphincter, triggering heartburn. 3. Blood thinners. Olive oil has mild blood-thinning effects, which can be risky if you're on certain meds. 4. Chronic diarrhea or IBS-D. Olive oil softens stools, potentially making diarrhea worse. 5. Low blood pressure. It may lower already low blood pressure even further. A single tablespoon of olive oil before bedtime can support digestion, sharpen your mind, nourish your skin, and more. It's a quick, easy habit that might deliver long-term health benefits. Will you try adding a spoonful of olive oil to your nighttime routine? Or have you already? Share your experience in the comments.